1,652 NDFB cadres lay down arms in Assam. Mahatma Gandhi remembered on 72nd death anniversary. And Hong Kong scientist who isolated SARS in 2003 says coronavirus milder. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Altogether, 1,652 cadres of National Democratic Front of Bodoland laid down their arms this morning in Guwahati. The arms lay-down ceremony was held at College Hospital Auditorium, according to media reports. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal attended the arms laying down ceremony. Besides, the Chief Minister, State Finance Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma, Assam Police Chief Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta, along with others, were present at the event. The cadres laid down around 130 arms and huge cache of ammunition. Earlier on Monday, the centre and the state government signed the Boro Peace Accord with 4 fractions of National Democratic Front of Bodoland, Old Boro Students' Union and United Boro People's Organisation in New Delhi in presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Last Thursday, 644 rebels from 8 militant groups, including United Liberation Front of Assam Independent Alpha 1, NDFB, Kamtapur Liberation Organization, Rabha National Liberation Front and others laid down 177 arms, responding to a government peace initiative that will allow them to rehabilitate under government schemes.
বিভিন্ন ঠাইত তেওঁলোকে এই ধৰণে খেতি বাতি কৰিছে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ সহায় কৰা হৈছে ৰিফাইনাৰী তেওঁলোকে এখন ট্ৰেক্টৰ দিছে ইয়াত কেইবাশ বিঘা তেওঁলোকে খেতি কৰিছে যোৱা বছৰ আলু খেতি কৰিছিলে এইবাৰো কৰিছে আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ শাক-পাচলি খেতি কৰিছে
The nation today observed the 72nd death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Manipur government also commemorated the day at the Gandhi Memorial Hall in Imphal. It is worth recalling that on this very day in 1948, a Hindu fanatic, Nathuram Godse, shot the leader to death. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Cabinet Ministers, high-ranking officials, DGP of Manipur Police, LM Khaute and other top police officials attended the event. Floral tributes were offered to the statue of Mahatma Gandhi on the occasion and a 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to the late leader. On the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah conveyed her message to the public through TOMTV. In her message, she said, "Today is one of the saddest days in the history of India as she lost one of her greatest leaders. She laid down his life for the country." Dr. Najma Heptullah said that we all need to understand and analyze why Gandhi died for the country. Gandhi was a worshipper of peace and violence, she said. The governor also urged everyone to shun violence and work together by following Gandhi's ideologies for a better society.
Should remember on this day, why did Gandhiji sacrifice his life? For peace, unity of the country. So we should always remember that for what this sacrifice was done, and we should always think about unity, prosperity and living together in proper harmony.
The 2019 novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV appears to spread more easily than the 2003 severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, but is less severe in terms of the number of deaths. Hong Kong-based Professor Malik Paris, who played a critical role in identifying SARS in 2003, told the Indian Express. However, the new strain of coronavirus is more severe than the 2009 influenza H1N1, he said. Recognized as one of the 10 science stars of East Asia by scientific journal Nature in 2018, Malik became internationally recognized when his laboratory became the first to isolate SARS, another kind of coronavirus, in 2003. When contacted in Hong Kong, Malik said the new strain of coronavirus appears to be more transmissible than SARS. However, it seems to be less severe than SARS in terms of hospital admissions and mortality. The 2009 novel coronavirus is still more severe than 2009 pandemic influenza A H1N1, said Malik, a public health virologist with the University of Hong Kong, who has developed a test to identify the 2019 novel coronavirus and also shared the reagents with other countries. According to reports, at least 132 people have died and almost 6,000 cases of novel coronavirus have been confirmed in China. There are more than 80 cases across 19 countries outside China. India is yet to report a case of novel coronavirus. Till Tuesday, 22 cases had tested negative for the virus at Pune's National Institute of Virology. A two-day first Northeast Land Conference, Northeast Land on 2020, jointly organized by Northeast Network, Rongmei Naga Baptist Association, Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Project and Martin Luther Christian University, has begun at MLCU, Shillong, Meghalaya today. Thomson Reuters Foundation journalist Reena Chandran, Vice President NRMC, CLG Pranab Ranjan Chaudhary, NARCOMP Director Mihin Dolo, Secretary RNBA Manipur Dimgong Rongmei, CEO NEN Dr. Monish Behal and Vice Chairman MLCU Dr. Vincent T. Darlong were present at the opening program. Speaking on the occasion, Reena Chandran said that even though there are different traditional ways of land ownership, one should not work against the interest of others.
We are keen to cover more of your stories and are hopefully now better equipped to do so. I'm encouraged that, like you, women across the country are taking to the streets to fight injustice and hold authorities to account, despite the threats of violence and alienation even within their own families. The fight is not easy, but know that you are not alone, that the world wants to hear your voices and your stories. The Northeast is often forgotten in the clamor of noise from Mumbai and Delhi.
Apart from representatives of Manipur, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, Odisha and Delhi, representatives of Thailand and UK were also present at the conference. The conference aims at making the poor and needy landholders. Some unidentified persons triggered a bomb blast at Saijang under Lamlai Police Station of Imphal East District this morning at around 8. No casualties were reported in the incident. A team of Imphal East Police rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. A 5-day-long Sunday school teachers orientation camp organized by Christian Education and Literature Department of Rongmei Naga Baptist Association concluded today at Rongmei Naga Baptist Association Center Church, Imphal, Langol, Tarun. More than 336 delegates of 103 churches from both the hills and valley attended the program, which was aimed at imparting moral and spiritual education to the young children. A one-day blood donation camp was jointly organized by Raj Medicity and Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, Imphal, on the motto Donate Blood, Save Lives. Today at Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal, around 115 in-house staff members of Raj Medicity donated blood at the camp. More Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South successfully conducted National Integration Tour of Northeast to Pune and Mumbai from 14th January to 26th January 2020. The team comprised of 24 students and 2 teachers from different parts of northeastern states. The tour was flagged off by Professor Jagdish Mukhi, Governor Assam, on 15th of January from Raj Bhavan. The tour was undertaken with an aim of enabling the local youths of northeast states to see the amalgamation of the varied and rich culture of India and develop feeling of unity in diversity that the country stands for, as also to develop a regional connect between Northeast and rest of the country, providing students with an opportunity to witness the development and prosperity of a resurgent India, a statement said today. Students were also imparted awareness about drug abuse and to keep themselves away from involvement in non-state and anti-national activities. Haurai B. Ibudau Pakhangba Thaugal Loop today inaugurated a newly constructed Amaiba Amaibi Sanglane and other amenities at Haurai B. Ibudau Haurabung Lilong. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam Lai Selungba, Yumnam Chauba Singh, Councillor Ward No. 2, Samurao Municipal Council, Thonaujam Mangi Leima were among others who attended the function. Nangombala Devi, a Manipuri football player, created history yesterday after signing for Scottish club Rangers FC. She is the first Indian woman to sign professional contract overseas. Striker Baladevi from Manipur Police Sports Club has signed an 18-month contract following a successful trial that the player underwent in November last year. The move is a big step in Devi's career, who is currently the top scorer for the Indian national women's team and also the leading goal scorer in South Asia. The 29-year-old, who has also captained India in the past, has scored 52 goals from 58 games since 2010. 14th seed Sophia Kenin of USA defeated world number 1 Ash Barty of Australia, speeding out of the Melbourne Park semi-finals 7 out of 5 today at the Australian Open. Barty came into the match with a 4 out of 1 record against the American and had Kenin on the back foot for most of the opening set with a combination of big forehands and backhand slices. 21-year-old Kenin managed to hang in and save 3 breakpoints to hold for 3 out of 3 and eventually force a tiebreaker. Kenin paid tribute to Barty after her win, reports said. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, coronavirus outbreak, Health Directorate reverbs rumor, Manipur-Myanmar set up screening along border, strict vigil mounted at Moreh, 2 killed in anti-CAA protest in West Bengal, Army to cut down strength in Northeast, says Chief of Army Staff. Imphal Free Press, Phungreithang fire destroys properties worth ₹2 crore. Urgent need to frame policy to tackle frequent fire in Ukhrul, says Masangwa. No reported cases of coronavirus till date, says Dr. Raju. Wasima case, suspected Mohammed Sahid remanded to police custody. Rise in crime against women. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization blames government.
Now the top news headlines once again. (1,652) NDFB cadres lays down arms in Assam. Mahatma Gandhi remembered on 72nd death anniversary. And Hong Kong scientist who isolated SARS in 2003 says coronavirus milder. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.